Okay. Woo! This is terrifying. I swear to God, if it... Wait, what? That's a head crab. Okay. Nah. Oh, I guess it's a case of... we pile things to actually get up here. Let me jump! Wow, he cannot jump, can he? Like, he seriously can. King Beat! Thank you so much for the follow! You've just unlocked awesome! Thank you so much for the follow, it's much appreciated, and welcome, hello! Hope you're having a wonderful day. Hold on, fly please. Fly, 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 fly. Ah, I got the fly, motherfucker. Okay, so this can go here. Oh, oh. Progresso? None. This is terrifying. I'm a pocket with a crowbar. Yep, that is my logic. That's my logic and you love it. COD player 654, thank you so much for the follow as well. You as well have just unlocked awesome. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate that. Boop. Come on. Stop twerking! No, don't worry about it. Do not worry about it. And yeah, guys, this is a blind playthrough, so I would appreciate no tips, tricks, bros, hit suggestions, fake spoilers, and all that jazz. Like, it would make sense. Hello, Karuna. How are you doing? I'm doing fucking fantastic. Thank you for asking. I'm doing wonderfully. Can I kill these? Nope. Will it... Oh. I'm doing something. Yeah, exactly. Exactly what your boy said. Well, dang! Don't need to ask me twice. Wow. That works. Kinda, I guess. Come here. Let me up. Oh, come on. I broke a... Let me up, damn it! It's so close yet so far. I broke a... Come here, come here, come here, come here. There you go. Okay, okay. Come on. No! No! There's boxes Bexy hasn't broken. Was this magic? There are special boxes, okay. Damn it. Oh, shizzle. Shizzle. See it? No. Go up here. Go up there. Drop down there. Okay, good. This is so convoluted! Witchcraft, I know. Has anyone seen 22 Jumpsuit? You gotta watch it today. Oh, awesome, Karuna. Yeah, boy, we don't call her Brilliant Bexy for nothing. I'm so good at guns. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Like, I'm fucking going on it! Like, look at this! here! Let me climb you! I did something and it's denying me. That's so mean. I'm here. Can I not climb up it with a thingy gun? Seriously? 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 It's this isn't what I'm supposed to do, is it? Okay. Yes or no question, just because this just feels like it's bugged. Is this bugged? Just joined the channel and Bexy is going into one. Hello, Kaz! How you doing, my dear? Hope you're doing well. Okay, that's clearly not what I need to do. Even if the ladder won't let you climb. Okay, no, it's not. Fuck. So obviously that's not what I have to do. Oh, fuck a duck. Please don't. Poor ducks. Okay, I completely fucked this up probably. Warning, keep out. Warning, no trespassing. Okay. Yeah, Bexy, get out. Get that rage out. I know. I'm so confused. Like, what the fuck? Is there anything else I need to do in order to kill all the boxes? Can I kill this? Haha, I can! Fuck you. Taking my rage out on the boxes like a boss. Yeah, but fuck. Okay, I get the point, guys. I get the point. Can I break this? No. Thank nabbit. I'm doing absolutely fantastic, Kaz. Thank you for asking. I'm doing wonderful, actually. Hello, Dingle Breakfast. How are you doing? Filling it right with her. Exactly, Crow. Exactly, Ghost. Crow? Where did that come from? Bobby! My Sammy's screaming at my screen. I love it. Like, there has to be a logical way of doing this. There's the head crab. Can I pick up the head? Hi, head crab. How you doing? Chicken! When she works it out, I bet she takes a break. Oh no, so it's something of like, oh, don't say that. That's even more annoying because then obviously it's something so obvious. It's something so obvious that it's going to piss me off. I followed you because of Eddie Ruckus. Because of D. So I thought I should check you out. Okay, thank you, JSC. I really do appreciate that. Eddie is indeed a wonderful man. Sure. I see a wall here. Okay, so that isn't the case there. That's fine. Like, this makes... Pause! Oh my god, Pergelicious! Hello, darling. How are you doing? Hope you are doing well. When the thing flops around, it looks like a turkey. It looks like a chicken. Like, the thing I was trying to do would make sense, because then I could climb up the ladder. Like, there's a ladder. And it makes sense to try and get up onto the ladder. I'm curious. No, don't use my magnum on that, you silly woman. Nothing to do with that. Basically, you have the world's cutest voice. Makes me happy every time I hear, ah, Blood of the Gamer. I really appreciate that. Yeah, don't make me blush. And guys, don't be like, oh dude, have you tried this thing? It's like, because if I haven't, then that's literally backseeing. Just let me try and figure it out. I'm good at games, I promise. So I'm guessing this is no longer a speedrun. Nope. It never was in the beginning. Ever since I played this game, ever since I started trying to give that guard at the very beginning of the game a kind of juice, this was no longer a speedrun. Ever. Ever in the existence of speedruns. Ever. Let me out. I'm all alone. Hello, Link Courage. How goes the Half-Life? How goes Half-Life? Oh my god. Okay, stop. Okay. Like, it has to be something obvious. I dated Half-Life once. It gave me head cramps. Apple, please. Oh my goodness. This is like, I don't get it. What the fuck? Like, it makes no sense. Like, it would make sense. I am not playing on a console. It's a PC. I play all my games main. Hello, padlock. We meet again. Hi! How you doing? Now what? Now what? Wait, no, really, now what? There was a padlock, yes, but now what? Do I just... Cinnabud42, thank you so much for the follow. You just looked awesome. Thank you so much for the follow. It's much appreciated. Welcome. Hello. Thank you for the follow. This game. This game is going to be the death of me. Let me up the goddamn ladder. Thank you.